one of our best sellers in London. Shoredich Aparments has well-equipped accommodations featuring free Wi-Fi in London, 2.4 kilometers from St. Paul's Cathedral. All units comprise a seating area, and a fully equipped kitchen with various cooking facilities, including a dishwasher, an oven, a microwave and a toaster. A fridge and stovetop are also offered, as well as a coffee machine. Guests can also relax in the shared lounge area. Brick Lane is 2.4 kilometers from the apartment. London City Airport is 12.9 kilometers away. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.